So we meet again with this truck in Chilliwack instead of Squamish, where it was last time a couple of years ago when I saw it. It's a 1967 849 Kenworth. It's got a Cummins 400, 5 and a 4 in it. It's another Hollywood truck. This was the one on the season 8 of X-Men. They were using it to try and haul uphill with, pulling it with their skidder, pulling it with their loader. And I guess they gave up on that, so here it is. Still looks good. It's got new front wheels, or tires. Be put in a museum with the famous movie cars. X-Men Season 8. It's Dave McRae's truck. Still got life in it. Just got nobody young enough under the age of dead with life in them anymore that knows how to drive a 5 and a 4. The bottom of these bunks start like over 6 feet in the air. Big truck. Not the biggest Kenworth, but almost.
I just seen this thing hauling a week ago, eh?